Everyone, I got a new video for you guys. Told you guys I was gonna be releasing this on a Friday today. So basically what I'm in the process of doing is this is an MDX headlights. We do have a 2017 MDX. So what I did was I started taking it apart and modifying it. I did start modifying it, not really heavily, but trying to try a couple designs and different things, asking you guys what you guys would think. What do you guys think of it? I'm gonna kind of break it down, like taking it apart, because this one, I already took this one apart. As you guys can see, the orange reflector, I already removed it from this one, which it looks like this. I will be releasing another video showing practicing on the TL headlights, using some TLX headlights, the Julys to do that. This one I'm going to be putting on the MDX that we have, which is 2017, which is the same design. So what I'm going to be doing is blacking out the inside here where all this is, blacking this out also, and then trying something else, maybe an LED strip that goes here that sequences. I'm not too sure. Drop a comment on the bottom, let me know what you guys think about that. So basically, the whole process wasn't that hard. It wasn't too hard or whatever. It was just a bunch of torque screws right here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just a quick look over of it. Take out those torque screws. Then you heat it up just like the 04 to 06, 07, 08 headlights. Then you prime open, pull up the tabs, and it opens right up. Okay, so this is what it looks like opened. So what I'm gonna do is kind of pry it open for you guys. This headlight, I thought it was gonna be a lot harder to like take it apart, but it wasn't really that bad, like the whole inside and taking everything. This is gonna be held in, the whole frame and the inside here. It's only gonna be held in by a couple of the same torque screws here in the back. Like I said, this is not a walkthrough showing you guys exactly how to take apart the headlight. This is just like a quick overview of it. And as you open it, you'll see that the July sit here. Then there'll be this for the turn signals. These are the turn signals. Then there'll be connectors here. So I'm gonna remove this. This comes out. It's just bolted on the top and bottom, here. And it has a connector, which is connected to a harness. So this, if the LEDs do go out on this headlight, you would have to open the headlight and you would have to unscrew these. I don't know if they're replaceable. They might be replaceable on the website, but this is what it looks like here, if you guys wasn't sure of what it looks like. All right, so basically what I did was I wired up LED strip behind here, which can be controlled from your cell phone, so you can change the colors of this. This is an add-on that I'll be adding on to the headlights, so when you use it, this is not just going to be for just the headlights, it's going to be for the grill, also for the MDX. So you can either change the color for the grill or the headlights, the Julys. So I'm going to do a quick overview of it. So basically it wasn't too bad taking apart everything. This all pops out of here, and this just comes right out, the housing. And this is the bare housing by itself. The back of the headlight, it's not even that bad. This is the harness that came out of the headlight. This is the igniter that goes on the back. And then this is the harness that clips into the turn signals. This is the harness that clips into the turn signals and clips into this that goes to the headlight. All right, so this is just the harness with 3 connectors on it. Then you have this, the turn signal. Then the housing is right here, which was really easy. I didn't break any of the connectors, taking anything out. This was my first time doing it, and it was pretty simple, straightforward. Now we have the Julys here. What I did was I loosened up. It's not finished completely, but what I did was I loosened up here on the bottom. I loosened up, there were screws here. I loosened up those screws, and I ran an LED strip inside to reflect onto the reflectors, and it could connect it from your phone. So right now, let me just connect this to my second cell phone. I got another phone. I'm going to connect it, and I'm going to show you guys what I can do with this. All right, so what I'm going to do is connect the connector to turn on the jewel eyes. Just connect this connector here. As you guys can see, this won't be white as driving. This will stay orange as it would stock. It's just the light is shining behind. Basically, gonna buff out the lens. Buff out the lenses and everything, and I took out the orange reflector. So what I'm gonna do now is set this to party mode. Okay, so now it's set to party mode where it goes through all the colors. Okay, yellows, pink, blue, purple, different colors for the jewel eyes. I'm gonna turn out the light so you guys can see what it looks like at night, showing how bright it is. This is how bright it is at night. So this will be the setup on the MDX that will be there. I'll be making another setup for the TL, the 04 to 08 TLs. I'll be making another setup for that. This one is for an MDX. Okay. These jewel eyes can be retrofitted in the 07 to 13 MDX also. This setup, these jewel eyes, because the headlight housing is large. Okay. So now I'm going to turn back on the light. And I'm going to show you guys the strobing and flashing. Okay, so now this is the strobing. You can speed it up to go a little faster than this, but this is what the strobing looks like. And this is what it looks like at night. This is just for show. Do not drive around like this. I'm not going to drive around like this. It's just for show. And yeah, that's about it. And then, like I said, it can go through all the colors: blue, red, orange, yellow, blue, green. And this is the setup that I've been working on. Once I have everything painted and everything, I'll make another video showing you guys exactly the steps that I took. Alright, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them. With a like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace. And drop a comment, and don't forget to check out my other videos that I have. Peace.